Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my first ever YouTube video. Since this video is gonna be about something important, without wasting a lot of time, let's get right into it. By the end of this video, if you ever feel like reporting his page for spreading false information, his link will be down in the description below. So let's look at his first post. Discipline your wife, obey your husband. By what does he even mean by discipline? And by whatever it may be, okay? If you feel like your wife is not disciplined enough, then why did you even go and marry her in the first place? And why don't even get me started on obey your husband? See, in a relationship, both the partners deserve equal respect. There is so much crap on this page that I don't want to stick to one post. So let's move on to the next post. Number 2, misogynist. A man who wins an argument against a senseless feminist. भाई एक बात बताओ, आर यू अ लेक्सोग्राफर? डोंट वरी, मुझे भी इसका मतलब नहीं पता था, मैंने भी गूगल से निकाला. बेसिकली अ लेक्सोग्राफर इज अ पर्सन हु गिव्स डेफिनेशन टू वर्ड्स. And I can tell you that he is not one, because according to Google, a misogynist is a person who hates female. Modern women and traditional women are marriage material. Here's the thing. We need feminism because women have been suppressed for many years in the past. From the practice of sati to not being given equal rights in education to facing domestic violence. Modern women are those who fight for their rights, and it does not mean that they are and even if they are, it is their choice. You never know someone's reason to go into a particular field. For example, in Official Humans of Bombay, I'd seen this post of a person who became a sex worker, and the reason was her abusive drunk husband died, and to provide for her family, she did not have any education qualification, so she was forced to go into that work just to be able to provide for her children. Once her children settled on their own feet, she left that job, tried to find a decent job for herself, but everyone started rejecting for the sole reason that she was a sex worker. And he says that traditional women are marriage material. So is he trying to frame women as they are made to marry? Like, what if some woman decides to stay single and focus on her career? So I really think that this page should be reported. And if you still are not convinced why, let's move on to the next post. Why should a man never marry an actress? I will not read the whole post, but I'll sum it up for you in 3 things. 1, he feels that the men will somehow feel inferior to the woman. Second, he feels that the woman becomes a public display figure and people are lusting and drooling over her. And third, a man wants the woman to be dependent on him, to be known by his name and fame. So basically, इस पोस्ट में ये पता चलता है that this man cannot see a woman being empowered because his ego is as small as his mentality. Here's the thing: if a woman is an actress and she's married or she's dating someone who may not be an actor or who is not a public figure, for that case, okay, there's nothing wrong with it, because that clearly shows that she loves the person, or she's with that person for his personality, not for his money or not for his social status. Okay. And he said in the post that he mentioned that you should not date a woman who's an actress because how other men lust for her and drool over her, and the inferiority complex. सीधी सी बात है. Okay, for the inferiority complex, if a man cannot be proud of his wife's hard-earned achievement, he simply does not deserve her. And about other men lusting over her, if in case, okay, for example, the national crush of India, or a lot of men are like crazy behind Katrina Kaif, Deepika Padukone, right? But they're still married, okay? And here's the thing here, just imagine, okay, everyone wants to be with your wife, but she still chooses to be with you. And if that makes you feel inferior, I don't know. I don't know why you even have this mentality. Just because a woman is more successful than a man in some cases, that doesn't mean it's anything wrong. उसने अपनी सक्सेस अपने दम पे बनाई है, and she can choose to be whoever it is, be it a celebrity or a non-celebrity. And भाई अगर इसकी बायो में ना 1 मिनट के लिए हम patriarchal fight against feminist women and patriarchal fight for feminine women को साइड में रखें 1 मिनट के लिए, let's look at the place where he mentions patriarchal fight for masculine men. So he means to say that a man cannot be feminine. Why does this social stigma exist? Because of years of conditioning. Okay, but where does this conditioning come from? खैर वो थोड़ा लंबा टॉपिक हो जाएगा, इस टॉपिक पे कभी और बात करते हैं. बट भाई इट्स लाइक सब नोकिया से टच स्क्रीन में शिफ्ट हो गए और ये अभी भी चिट्ठिया के ज़माने में जी रहा है. एंड भाई रुको, मुझे ये समझ नहीं आ रहा है, वाई डज ही हैव 2000 पीपल फॉलोइंग हिम, लाइक फॉर व्हाट? आई डोंट नो हु दीज 2000 पीपल आर हु आर सपोर्टिंग हिम. बट एनीवेज, दिस इज रियली सिक एंड रियली शिट मेंटालिटी. बट क्या कर सकते हैं यार, दुनिया में हर टाइप के लोग मिलते हैं. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, especially if you made it to the end of my first video. It means a lot to me. And अगर आपकी ऐसी mentality नहीं है तो please do like, comment and share it with your friends, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.